I am going to show you how to buy Betway voucher using Standard Bank app. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Bank application on your smartphone and you have to navigate to the payment or transaction section. From there, look for a bill payment or voucher purchase option. Select the option of Betway from the list of available merchant or service provider. Once you select the Betway, you will get the chance to enter the voucher amount that you wish to purchase. Once you have entered the voucher amount, go ahead and confirm the payment. And you will likely need to enter your PIN or use your biometric authentication. Once the payment is successful, you should receive a Betway voucher code either within the app or via SMS. You can then redeem this code on the Betway website or app to add fund to your account, and it was the way by which you can do it quickly.